Hey, another update from the house. New project is to start building the greenhouse. So we'll see the nice lights. Here we go. We're going to go inside and I'm going to show you the model that I've been working on. Come in, come in, come in. I'm going to go over here. Oh, here is a rocket stove that I'm going to try and prototype tonight. And then here, if you can see it, is prototype underground greenhouse. So top part is going to be fixed with sheeting and high enough that you can walk inside it. Hence there's a little sliding door here, little door here that should slide in my model. And then this is actually going to be sealed with plastic that you can then roll up as you don't need it and get yourself in there. It won't be so high, but you can also then regulate temperatures as well. And then in summer you can have it out, and if it's raining it means you don't have to water the plants. And then if you need to have those nights and keep the frost off, you can roll it back down again. Because it's tall enough in the back here, I can get some fruits and start taller plants. And then in this area here, which will be about 3 or 4 meters, I guess, something like that, maybe 4.5 meters, we can get lots of things started here. And as I say, just having the plastic sheeting like that and rolling it back means that you can take advantage of when it's raining. This would be fixed with sheeting, so it'd be more like a traditional greenhouse. I might even put a siding on there just so that in wintertime you can start propagating and it should be warm in there. Also in the corner, one side, there'll be a rocket stove mass heater. That's what I'm going to design or look at later today with the bricks, the 5 bricks that I have. So exciting things for the house. And I like to make a model because volunteers who come by, they can actually see a visualization rather than just my crappy sketch. They can see kind of a model of what I intend it to be like eventually. So it's something that we're working towards. This would be the back end of the stone wall, and then it would go up to as high as the deck. So this would be the deck from here. So it's actually using the deck, and then it makes a shelf, and any extra heat that actually is passively generated will actually go under the deck and hopefully under the house as well. So hopefully it should actually pass some of the heat to the house. Even though it's a Japanese house, it hasn't been insulated very well, but that'd be a way of passing some heat in there, especially if I put a rocket stove here. That will help too. Anyway, that's the house. Bye bye.